Alright, welcome back. So this is a quick video on how commenting works in C. So I put together this little bit of code that prints out 0, hello world, and goodbye. So things that we can do is comment out, let's say, the int g equals 0. We could do slash slash, and we could do slash slash on this line, and that comments out the whole line. But instead of that, what we could do is slash star, and then star slash, and that gets rid of things that are in between these slash stars. So the same thing goes with if you have a slash star, it gets rid of anything in between. So I can get rid of star slash here, and I can get rid of these two lines. And then when I print, I get hello world and goodbye. And now I don't have the 0. So there's three ways of commenting out. You can do slash slash and comment out the whole line. You can do slash star, comment out part of a line, or use that slash star to comment out multiple lines. So thank you for watching, and that's all I have on commenting in C.